Yeah, it's a mess. Already got one load out of it. I'm guessing maybe 10, $15, maybe. And here comes my help. Work out.
Don't want to get up.
Don't want to get up. Here's a light if you need it, Dalton.
You think down here?
Don't hurt yourself.
Yeah, there's a lot of junk down here, dude.
Huh?
You have a lot of junk down here.
Yep. Jamie was saving it to take off, but since he ain't here, we're going to take it off for him and keep the money. I hope. Pull all these pipes out right here. Kind of leave that under here. You can take that bike out. Those chairs. Try not to hurt that bird cage and that old dog kennel. And throw it out there. Put these pipes separate. Might have to keep them. I don't know whose they are. And by the time you do all that, I should be back.
Alright.
By the time you do all that, I should be back. I love you. Be careful.